Hi, I hope you are fine and are searching for a lawyer. My name is Muhammad Junaid. I am a lawyer from Okada, Punjab, Pakistan. I have many years of experience in the field of law. I have expertise in international law, civil law, criminal law, family law, corporate law, company law, contract law, law of torts, personal injury law, law of taxation, banking law, intellectual property law, real estate law, privacy law, etc. I am available for legal writing, legal research, legal advice, and other relevant tasks. If you want to take work from me, please select this profile or gig or catalog to proceed further. I am always available to serve. Thank you very much. Please take good care of yourself and bye.